Are you still living in 2024? Because your home is about to get a serious upgrade. We're talking about gadgets so smart, they make your smartphone look, well, not so smart. From robots that know your mood to blenders you can charge with your laptop, the future is officially here. Stick around as we count down the 10 coolest smart gadgets you absolutely must own in 2025. You won't want to miss what's coming in at number 1. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. Number 10. Video Doorbell. Starting our countdown at number 10, we have the Video Doorbell, but not just any video doorbell. The 2025 models are absolute powerhouses of smart technology. Picture this: crystal clear 4K video quality, AI-powered facial recognition that actually learns your family members' faces, and real-time alerts that can distinguish between your Amazon delivery guy and that sketchy neighbor who always borrows your lawnmower. What sets these apart is their integration with smart home ecosystems. They can automatically unlock your smart locks for trusted visitors, start recording when motion is detected even before someone rings, and the night vision is so good it's practically like having Batman's cowl vision. Plus, with cloud storage and local backup options, you'll never miss what's happening at your front door, whether you're at work or vacationing in Bali. Number 9. Robot Vacuum Cleaner. At number 9, we're talking about robot vacuum cleaners, and these 2025 models are basically the Tesla of cleaning devices. Forget those old bump-and-go robots that got stuck under your couch. These new ones use LiDAR mapping, AI pathfinding, and machine learning to clean your home more efficiently than you ever could. They can identify different floor types, avoid your pet's favorite sleeping spots, and even empty themselves into base stations that hold weeks' worth of dirt. The coolest part? They integrate with your calendar and can clean specific rooms based on your schedule. Having guests over at 7 p.m., your robot will automatically deep clean the living room an hour before. Some models even have security cameras built in, so they pull double duty as roving home security guards. It's like having a tiny, efficient housekeeper that never asks for a raise. Number 8. Wi-Fi Range Extender. Number 8 might seem boring at first glance, but hear me out. The Wi-Fi Range Extender has gotten a massive glow-up in 2025. These aren't your dad's signal boosters that slow down your internet. The new generation uses mesh technology, Wi-Fi 7 standards, and smart beamforming to create seamless coverage throughout your entire home. What makes them truly cool is their AI-driven optimization. They automatically detect dead zones, high traffic areas, and device priorities to ensure your gaming setup gets priority while your smart toaster doesn't hog bandwidth. The setup is so simple, it's literally plug and play with automatic network configuration. Some models even include built-in security features acting as firewalls for your IoT devices. And here's the kicker. They can boost speeds up to 6 times faster than previous generations, while covering areas up to 10,000 square feet. Your Netflix binges just got a whole lot smoother. Number 7. Air Selfie. Flying into number 7, we have Air Selfie, and this tiny drone is about to revolutionize how you capture memories. Imagine a drone smaller than your smartphone that can capture professional quality photos, AI, and videos from angles you never thought possible. The 2025 Air Selfie models feature advanced stabilization, 4K video recording, and AI-powered tracking that keeps you in frame automatically. But here's what makes it incredibly cool. It's completely autonomous. Just toss it in the air and it'll follow you around like a personal photographer. Going hiking? It'll capture those epic summit shots. Beach day? Aerial footage of your volleyball game is now effortless. The battery life has improved dramatically, giving you up to 30 minutes of flight time, and it folds down small enough to fit in your back pocket. Plus, with gesture controls and voice commands, you can direct it without even touching your phone. It's like having your own personal film crew. Number 6. Smart Coffee Cup. Forget your boring instant coffee. What if I told you your perfect barista quality espresso shot is now hidden inside this ordinary looking cup? This isn't magic. It's the smart electric portable coffee cup. And trust me, the upgrades are absolutely mind-blowing. That new 20-bar high-pressure pump? It's basically a mini professional espresso machine that completely extracts all those delicious oils from your coffee grounds, giving you that rich, velvety crema that lasts. Here's where it gets wild. It's compatible with both ground coffee and your favorite capsules. Plus, the smart heating function means you can brew with hot water for that perfect espresso or cold water for an incredible iced version. And because it charges with Type-C, you literally have a portable cafe that goes everywhere you do. Number 5. Louie Robot. Halfway through our countdown at number 5, we have the Louie Robot. And this little guy is absolutely adorable and incredibly functional. Think of it as the perfect blend of companion robot and productivity assistant. Louie transforms your smartphone into the brain of an intelligent robot that can navigate your home, recognize faces, and even express emotions through its LED display. What makes Louie special is its personality. It genuinely feels like having a tech-savvy pet that also happens to be your personal assistant. It can follow you around while video calling friends, act as a security patrol when you're away, and even play interactive games with kids or pets. The AI learning capabilities mean it adapts to your routine and preferences over time. Parents love it because it can entertain kids while keeping an eye on them, and pet owners use it to monitor and play with their furry friends remotely. It's companionship meets cutting-edge technology. Number 4. Dowk Audio VU9. At number 4, we're cranking up the volume with the Dowk Audio VU9, and audiophiles, prepare to have your minds blown. This isn't just another Bluetooth speaker, it's a complete audio experience that brings concert hall quality sound to your living room. The VU9 features tube amplification combined with digital processing, creating that warm, rich sound that vinyl enthusiasts crave, but with the convenience of modern connectivity. What makes it incredibly cool is its visual element, those beautiful VU meters that dance with your music, creating a mesmerizing light show that sync perfectly with audio levels. The device supports everything from classic vinyl inputs to high-resolution streaming. And the sound clarity is so precise you'll hear details in your favorite songs you never knew existed. Plus, it's modular so you can expand and customize your setup over time. Whether you're a serious audiophile or just someone who appreciates incredible sound quality, the VU9 transforms any room into an acoustic paradise. Number 3. Mini USB Blender. Blending into our top 3 at number 3, the Mini USB Blender is surprisingly revolutionary for such a simple concept. This isn't your typical kitchen appliance. It's a portable powerhouse that's perfect for our increasingly mobile lifestyles. The 2025 models are incredibly powerful despite their compact size, featuring ultra-sharp titanium blades and motors that can pulverize ice, frozen fruits, and tough vegetables with ease. What makes them truly cool is their versatility. They work in your car, at your office, camping, or anywhere with a USB port or power bank. The smart safety features ensure they won't operate unless properly assembled, and the self-cleaning mode means maintenance is effortless. Health enthusiasts love them for making fresh smoothies anywhere, while busy professionals use them for protein shakes between meetings. The battery life can handle 15 to 20 blending cycles, and some models even include wireless charging bases. It's like having a full-sized blender that fits in your laptop bag. Number 2. Monstertech, the M1. Almost at the top with number 2, the Monstertech M1. And this device is pure innovation wrapped in sleek design. The M1 is essentially a portable powerhouse that combines multiple functionalities into one incredibly versatile device. It features wireless charging capabilities, acts as a high-capacity power bank, includes a digital display showing real-time power metrics, and doubles as a desktop organizer with built-in cable management. What sets the M1 apart is its intelligent power distribution system that can charge multiple devices simultaneously while optimizing power delivery to each device's specific requirements. The build quality is exceptional, featuring premium materials and a design that looks at home in any modern workspace. The accompanying app provides detailed analytics about your charging habits and device health. For professionals, students, or anyone who relies heavily on multiple devices, the M1 eliminates cable clutter while ensuring your tech ecosystem stays powered and organized. Its minimalist design meets maximum functionality. Number 1. HiDock H1. And finally, claiming the number 1 spot, we have the HiDock H1, the ultimate docking station that's redefining workspace organization and functionality. The H1 isn't just a dock. It's a complete workstation transformation device that turns any laptop into a full desktop experience. With multiple 4K display outputs, lightning-fast data transfer speeds, and enough ports to connect every device you own, it's like having a tech command center on your desk. What makes it absolutely incredible is the magnetic alignment system that makes docking effortless and precise every time. The built-in cooling system ensures your laptop runs optimally even during intensive tasks, while the premium aluminum construction looks stunning and provides excellent heat dissipation. The H1 supports everything from MacBooks to gaming laptops, and the single cable connection means you can dock and undock in seconds. For remote workers, content creators, and tech professionals, the HiDock H1 represents the future of workspace technology. Seamless, powerful, and beautifully designed. So guys, and there you have it. 10 of the coolest smart gadgets set to dominate 2025. Which one caught your eye? Are you team robot vacuum or mini blender? Let me know in the comments which gadget is going on your wish list first. If you enjoyed this countdown, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech finds. Check the links in the description for detailed reviews and current pricing. Thanks for watching. The future is here, fitting right in your pocket, on your desk, and everywhere in between. Until next time, keep innovating.